YouTube, welcome back to Journey Beyond and Hope. Today I'm gonna show you my portfolio, my dividend portfolio on my Fidelity account. It's been a while that I also show you guys my dividend investing on this account as well. But as you can see, my portfolio value is at $3,627, and today it's down at $30. And disclaimer, I'm no financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just showing you my portfolio for entertainment purposes and for you to just follow along and watch me do my dividend investing journey. So let's get into this. I'm also going to show you my spreadsheet too on this, so that way I can show you how much I got paid out for the year of 2024, and then also show you what I bought recently in January of this month. Okay, let's go to my positions. So I hold F&F, which is Fidelity. I have about 1.02 shares. My average cost is about $42.07, and I am up $12. I have Costco. I am up a total of $203.86. My percentage is 27.7%. My position in there is about one whole share. My average cost is about $733.28. For Maine, I have about 0.05 shares. My average cost is $49.60. I am up 40 cents and 40 cents. I'm planning to add more shares, dollar cost average, whether I'm up or down, into this company right here, because I believe long term that it's going to continue to go up. And this company's been up in the green even when the market has been down. So I want to definitely buy more shares of this company. And then VTI, my total gain and loss, I am at $38.54 in the positive. I own about one whole share, and my average cost is about $248.87. And I'm contemplating on maybe I might sell this ETF maybe for SPY or VOO, more for so the growth side, but still pays me a smaller portion of the dividend compared to VTI, because I want to also get the growth side of it, but still getting paid a small amount of dividend on one of those two ETF. All right, I own EPD, which I am up $15.34. I own about 6 shares and 6 shares. Average cost is $29.64. JEPI, I am up $9.07. I own about 4 shares. Average cost is $54.83. And then SCHD, I'm up a total of in the positive of $8.69, $2 and about 2.59% in the positive. I own about 12 shares, almost 13. Just need a few more fractional shares to make it one whole share to make it a total of 13. And my average cost is about $26.33. I own MasterCard because I have a credit card that's issued by SoFi, which they are going through MasterCard as the middleman to do the transaction. So I decided to put a little bit of cash into MasterCard, which allows me to be up 91 cents. And I own about 0.017 shares. Average cost is $496.07. And the reason why I'm buying into MasterCard is because any cashback rewards I get from MasterCard, from SoFi, through the bank, that fintech company, I transfer that over to my Fidelity account and purchases into MasterCard to get more shares. And then I own AGNC. I am down $21.93. And then I own about 101 shares, and my average cost is about $9.36. The reason why I own AGNC is not for the quality of its company, is because I own it because I'm doing options trading, and I'm willing to own this company because it pays a dividend of a dividend yield of 15.75%, and it pays out monthly of 12 cents. So I'm basically getting paid $12 for every 100 shares that I own. So I own 100 shares, which is about $12 plus the one extra share. So it will be $12.12. And what I plan to do is get a certain amount of shares on this company and then use the dividend to purchase my other ETFs or company, so that way I can grow those shares without having me to allocate my hard-earned cash to purchase those shares. And I can set that cash aside in my Fidelity account on the money market account, growing the interest. And then when times like this, when all those businesses or company ETFs is down, I can use my hard-earned cash to purchase it, to DCA down, dollar cost average, lowering my average cost in each of those companies and ETFs. And I own Stag. I am down $1.39, in the negative of 4%. I own about 1.027 shares. My average cost is $33.74. And this is where my hard-earned cash can be allocated to purchasing these companies that are actually good quality companies, and DCA down my average cost. Kimberly Clark, I am down $17.09 in the negative of 4.38%. I own about 3 shares. $1.30 is my average cost. And I in the negative of Dollar General of $11.22, about negative 12.68%. I own about 1 share, 1.083 shares. Average cost is $81.72. And then I do have cash in my money account, but you see my pending activity, which I had spent some money on purchasing one, or actually closing one of my options contract, and then purchasing a little bit of cash into Kimberly Clark. Alright, now let's head over to my spreadsheet. This is what it looks like, and as you can see here, my uninvested cash is just off. I actually need to wait and see my cash on my Fidelity account settles, and then I can adjust my uninvested cash here on my spreadsheet. And as you can see, for Q1 of my quarterly dividend paying companies, or even monthly, they're all added in here. Q1 I got paid 3 cents. Q2 I got paid $6.57. Q3 $17.18. Q4 $17.62. So a total of $41.40. And as you can see here, it shows my graph for Q1, Q3, Q2, and I actually need to fix my graph for this one so I can show Q4. But I will do that later. And then my share is more on AGNC. As you can see, I own 100 shares of AGNC. Like I said, AGNC is more for my options trading. And so in order for you to do options trading, you have to, for the sell side of options trading, you have to have 100 shares in order to do options trading, to sell and contract for options. And then my total share costs, as you can see, there are some companies that I no longer own, but it still shows up on here, but it says $0. I just have it on there in case of future I decide to buy back into this company at a better price and that it makes sense for my portfolio. And then for the year of each company that I got paid out for all these companies, as you can see right here, for 2024, this is how much I got paid out for each of these companies. And then the yearly total dividend payout. And let's head to my stock tracker. This is what it looks like for my stock tracker. I do like I said on one of my videos, I am still updating and fixing my portfolio tracker. So some of these will show error or NA. And this is how much I received, like I said, for the year of 2024. As you know, it's a new year, 2025. And if you like what you see for my stock tracker, leave a comment below saying that you would like to acquire this Google spreadsheet. I will link it in the description below. And this is what my dividend calendar looks like. So I'm keeping track of how much I'm getting paid every month. And as you can see, it's color coded. So the gray is my monthly paying dividend. Blue is my January's paying dividend, and every 3 months or every quarter, every 2 to 3 months after that. And then red is my February, which every 3 months after February, as you can see here. And then green is my March paying dividend. So these are color coded so that way I can know which months I'm getting paid out, instead of just having them all lined up on the side in alphabetical order per its ticker, and then don't know when I'm going to get paid unless, X dividend date or all that. And here I can at least keep track of my dividend per month, and knowing that when the blue or red or green, I know that for that month I'm getting paid for those, and then keep track of it too as well. And here is my ledger spreadsheet. So for the month of January, I bought Kimberly Clark and agency, because agency was my option play, which I use option as to help me supercharge my Fidelity account again, so that way I don't just use my hard-earned cash. I can buying daily, I can use my option money that I make from the premium and dividend of AG&C to purchase the shares on a consistent basis of weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. And then my hard-earned cash, I can just leave it in my money market account, waiting for opportunities, like last week, that the market was in the red, allowing me to buy at a cheaper price for those businesses, company, and ETFs. Alright, so if you like my content, please like and subscribe and share the video so that people can watch me on my dividend journey. Disclaimer, I'm not a YouTube, I'm just a YouTuber. I'm not no financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your due diligence. Do your own research on any of your stocks and ETFs. I'm not reliable for any of your personal or financial decisions that you make. Thank you.